Hello friend, welcome. This is our socket-based and Java chess game. And in this video, let's keep cleaning up our code. So here we have a warning to be fixed. So actually, socket is never closed, you see? Resource leak. So we can do something like that. Let's define our instance variable for that, okay? Here, private socket like that. Then we can, yeah, instead of creating a local variable, we just use the instance one. And here for the server, we can also use this same variable. And don't forget to close that here. Yeah, so there's no resource leak. Socket dot close, and we need to surround with try and catch. Okay, so when we close the window, we also want to close the socket. Yeah, and another thing is, since the listen button and the connect button will be used only once, right? We cannot click twice. Yeah, for example, if we click again, you see, yeah, it's disaster address already in use. And if we click the connect again, here, server listening. Okay, so but anyway, yeah, those two buttons will be used to, yeah, just for building the connection, right? The socket connection. So it means we don't need this. Now command shift F and command D. Okay, so same thing here, command D and command D, command shift F, like that. Okay, so now let's give a try. Another instance here. So listen, so now it's chess server, right? And let's switch to the server is listening on port of that. Let's switch to the console for our client. Now here, connect, nothing shows here. Let's add the, okay, now make sure it works. Okay, so let's make a move like that. Okay, good. So nothing is broken. Let's improve this. So this is duplicated, so let's define a constant here. Private port, okay. It's an int, so port equals 50,000, that. So we'll use this to replace this guy and this guy and this guy. the server is listening on port, and here we can say new circuit. Let's output something here. Client connected to port like that. And anything else? So from server, this is wrong. From server, the move, receive move. So this one is and chess move received, right? It's much better. Okay, let's try it again. So run and run again. We have 2 instances. Now listen. Server is listening on port 50,000. Now let's switch to the client console. Connect. Yeah, client connected to port that. Now let's make a move. This time let's do something here. Oh, white goes first. Okay, it makes sense. Yeah. Chess moved received. Chess moved received. Why there's why there are 2 here and only 1 here? So let me try it again. Let's investigate this behavior carefully. So listen and show client connect. Okay, now let's make a move. Oh, I see. Because I tried to make a invalid move. Yeah, like that. Invalid move. So chess move received. Okay. We shouldn't send out the invalid move, right? But this is okay. It's not big deal. Now let's disable the button. Okay, so can we do that? So after we have that, can we disable the button? Server button dot disable. Okay. Oh, what did it say? Add so 2 quick fix. Add config problem. The method disabled from type is deprecated. So what can we use? Enable this one. Let's Google it. So J button disable deprecated. Okay. Why J button like this? Button set enable. Okay, set enable. Let's try that. Set enable. No. Okay, set enable false. Like that. And we can put this one the first thing there, right? And here client button dot set enable false. And when we click reset, okay, never mind. So thank you. Now let's close that. Let's try it again to make sure the disable thing works. Okay. So listen. Yeah, it's disabled, so it's safe. There's no way to click again. Now let's run our client here. Connect. Okay, now it's disabled. And try to, okay, show it here. Client connected to port. Okay, now let's make a move. Yeah, it works fine. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.